Got the Dow up 156, 31.9, S&P 500 at 39.78. That's 1.5%. NASDAQ, because of those two earnings reports I just mentioned, up 300 points. And the 10-year note yield at 2.77. Liz Young, big decision, 2 o'clock, 2 hours from now, followed by the news conference. 75, no surprises, right? Or you think there might be a surprise?
Jerome Powell does not like surprises. There will be no surprise today, in my opinion. I think the market is excited that we're about to get this behind us. This continues to be one of the biggest weeks of the summer. But here's the thing. We still have GDP tomorrow. We still have to get through that. We're trying to confirm what everybody thinks, which is that we're in a recession. I'm actually worried that GDP comes in marginally positive, and then we're looking around the corner for, well, where is the recession? But I think in this moment and starting in August, the market will be satisfied. Inflation starts to cool. The economic data has started to cool. Earnings have been revised downwards somewhat, and the market is going to start to bounce, I think, in August. Did
you tell our producers today, quote, it's irresponsible to not be in the market? Did you say that?
Is Steve Weiss here today?
Seriously. Because you, I think, were cautious for a bit.
I was.
Now it sounds like you're turning a little bit.
Yeah, so my message was that it was okay to have a larger than usual cash position through the end of July because I wanted to get through some of this data.
Okay.
Now it's been more than half of the year. We're investors. We're here to recognize the risk reward, and I think for the rest of the year, we have more reward opportunity, and it's time to make sure that you don't have a larger than usual cash position.
Let's talk about that, Joe. Has the risk-reward equation improved for investors? Or are we kidding ourselves?
I mean, you're asking someone who was saved by Microsoft's guidance. Otherwise, I'd be talking about getting stopped out of my Q position. So I'm keeping my time horizons very short right now. I do have a position that represents being long risk significantly and being long the Qs.
Do you feel better being long risk today than you did, I don't know, a few weeks ago?
Sitting on the set with you last night, seeing 40% growth for Azure? Of course, 100%. But I will tell you today, just as Microsoft's guidance saved my Q position and really saved the market today, I need some guidance from the chairman. 75 basis points, that's baked in. We know that. I need some guidance. I need to understand a little bit how he thinks the doubling in the size of the balance sheet runoff on September 1st is going to affect conditions within the market and liquidity. And remember, this is the last chance for him to really address that. I think we're spending too much time kind of focus on rate hikes and enough time understanding that the real cause for where we are right now is this significant expansion of the balance sheet. We're not really talking about that too much.